Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise and kind-hearted grandmother named Eliza. She was known far and wide as Granny Eliza, and her life was a testament to love, resilience, and the enduring power of family. Granny Eliza had lived through many seasons of life, and her silver hair and wrinkled skin bore witness to the passage of time. She had seen the village transform from a cluster of huts to a bustling community, and she had played a vital role in shaping its character. Eliza's cozy cottage was a place of warmth and comfort, not just because of the crackling fire in her hearth or the aroma of freshly baked bread that always wafted through the air, but because of her boundless love and wisdom. Her home was a sanctuary for her children, grandchildren, and even the villagers who sought solace in her advice. One chilly autumn evening, as the leaves turned to hues of gold and crimson, Granny Eliza's eldest granddaughter, Sarah, came to visit. She had been struggling with a difficult decision and needed her grandmother's guidance. Granny Eliza welcomed Sarah with open arms, offering her a cup of steaming herbal tea and a listening ear. As Sarah poured out her worries, Granny Eliza listened intently, her wise eyes filled with empathy. She didn't offer quick solutions but encouraged Sarah to reflect on her feelings and values. Days turned into weeks, and Sarah continued to visit her grandmother. With each conversation, Sarah gained clarity and strength, guided by the gentle wisdom imparted by Granny Eliza. Eventually, she made her decision, one that aligned with her heart and soul. Word of Granny Eliza's sage advice spread throughout the village, and soon, others sought her counsel. She became not only the matriarch of her family but also a trusted confidant for the entire community. As the years passed, Granny Eliza's family grew, and her home was filled with the laughter of great-grandchildren. She regaled them with stories of her own youth, tales of adventures and challenges she had faced, and the importance of love, honesty, and hard work. One crisp winter morning, as the snow blanketed the village, Granny Eliza peacefully passed away in her sleep, surrounded by the love of her family. Her legacy, however, lived on in the hearts of her descendants and the entire village. The lessons she had imparted, the kindness she had shown, and the wisdom she had shared continued to shape the lives of generations to come. Granny Eliza's story reminds us that a grandmother's love and wisdom can be a beacon of light, guiding us through the darkest of times. Her memory lived on, not only in the stories told by her family but also in the way her community treated each other, with kindness, compassion, and the belief that love and wisdom, like Granny Eliza's, could bridge any gap and overcome any challenge.